Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Fluent English Podcast, the show where you learn English with real, natural conversations and a lot of fun. I'm Ben, and today I'm joined by my favorite co-host.
Hi guys, I'm Lisa, and we're so happy you're here. Before we start today's super cute episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this podcast with your friends, especially your animal lover friends.
Yes, because today's episode is all about dun 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 pet stories. We'll talk about our pets, funny animal moments, and teach you English expressions to talk about your furry friends.
It's going to be adorable and hilarious. So grab a snack, cuddle your cat or dog, and let's get started.
Lisa, let's start with the big question. Do you have any pets?
Oh yes, I have a dog named Charlie. He's a golden retriever, very sweet, very friendly, and very dramatic.
Dramatic? What do you mean?
You know, when I leave the house, he looks at me like his life is over. Those puppy eyes, I swear he could win an Oscar.
I can imagine. My cat, Milo, is totally the opposite. He acts like he doesn't care about me at all.
Oh, one of those I'm too cool for you cats.
Exactly. He walks around like he owns the place. But when I sit down to work, he suddenly decides it's time to sit on my keyboard.
Classic cat move.
Listeners, what about you? Do you have pets?
Great. Now repeat after us. I have a dog. I have a cat. I don't have any pets.
Okay, let's learn some English words and expressions people use when talking about their pets.
Good idea. First one is furry friend. That means your pet. A cute way to say animal.
Yes, for example, my furry friend always sleeps on my bed. Now you try. Say it out loud. Nice. Another one is good boy or good girl. That's what people say to their dogs when they behave well.
Exactly. You can also say, who's a good boy in that silly, happy voice. Who's a good boy? You are.
That's perfect. I think everyone listening just smiled.
Here's another one. He's part of the family. We use that to say our pets are like family members.
Yeah, my cat is definitely part of my family, even though he ignores me half the time.
Same with Charlie. He's my best friend, my personal trainer, and my alarm clock.
Ah, that's a good phrase. Personal trainer, because dogs make you walk every day.
Exactly. So, listeners, repeat. My dog is part of the family. My cat is my best friend.
All right, time for the fun part. Funny pet stories.
Oh, I have so many. But let's start with you, Ben. Tell us something funny about Milo.
Okay, so one time I was recording a video at home. Everything was quiet. I started speaking, and suddenly, meow, Milo jumped on my table, walked in front of the camera, and knocked over my coffee.
No way! Did you catch it on video?
Yes, and people loved it. They said it was the best part of the video.
Cats love attention. Charlie does something similar. He thinks he's a cat sometimes. He tries to sit on my lap, but he weighs about 65 pounds.
That must be, well, painful.
It is, but I can't say no. He looks so happy.
Aw, that's so cute.
Listeners, what about you? Has your pet ever done something funny or crazy?
You can comment later and tell us your funniest pet story.
Now let's learn some common English expressions that pet owners use.
Yes. For example, to walk the dog. It means to take your dog outside for exercise. I walk my dog every morning.
Or feed the cat. I need to feed the cat before I go to work.
Another expression is take to the vet. That means to take your pet to the animal doctor. My dog is sick, so I'm taking him to the vet.
Here's a fun one. Puppy love. That means a small, innocent kind of love, like when you're young and have your first crush.
Aw, that's a sweet one. So not only about pets, but about people too.
Exactly. And copycat. We use it when someone copies what another person does.
Right. Like if Lisa buys a new phone and I buy the same one, she can say, "You're such a copycat."
Perfect example. Now let's practice. We'll say a sentence and you repeat after us. Ready?
Here we go.
I have a furry friend. I walk my dog every day. My cat sleeps all the time. My dog makes me happy. Pets are part of the family.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Now let's make it more fun. I'll ask and you answer out loud. What's your favorite animal? Do you have a pet? What's your pet's name?
Awesome! You're speaking English and thinking in English, just like a native.
Ben, did you have pets when you were a kid?
Yes, I had a little turtle named Speedy, which is funny because he was the slowest animal ever.
That's adorable. What did he do all day?
Mostly sleep. Sometimes he'd just stare at me like, "Why are you in such a hurry, human?"
That sounds wise. I had a rabbit when I was little. Her name was Snowflake. She used to chew on everything. My homework, my slippers.
So that's why you didn't do your homework? The rabbit ate it.
Exactly.
You know, pets make life so much better. They give love, make us laugh, and help us relax.
Yes. And they teach us kindness and patience. Even when Charlie wakes me up at 6 a.m., I can't stay mad.
True love.
Listeners, repeat after us. I love my pet. My pet makes me happy.
Beautiful.
Now let's end with some fun English idioms about animals.
Yes. First, it's raining cats and dogs. That means it's raining very heavily.
Exactly. And let the cat out of the bag means to tell a secret accidentally.
Here's another. The early bird catches the worm. That means people who wake up early get more done.
Or you can't teach an old dog new tricks. That means it's hard for people to change old habits.
Love it.
Wow, this was such a fun and adorable episode.
Yes. We hope you enjoyed learning cute expressions and stories about pets.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what kind of pet do you have? Or if you don't have one, what pet would you like to have someday?
And don't forget to subscribe to the Fluent English podcast and share this episode with your animal-loving friends.
Thanks for listening. Give your pet a hug from us.
See you next time. Woof woof.
Ben, are you barking again?
Just saying goodbye in dog language.